To access Global POS, you must create first your username to be registered. Your password account will be your key to access the program. To create a username and password, click the configuration menu, security option, password tool, click the new button or you can use your keyboard and press Alt-N, click the access level and choose an option, type your username and password, enter, OK. To change password you entered, click the select user field, click the username to edit, click the edit button, type your existing password, type your new password, then verify your password. Enter, then OK. To remove username, click the username to be deleted, click delete button. If you want to continue, click yes. If you want to cancel, click no. Click the exit button to go back to main window. To test the password account, we have to log out. Then to log in, type your username and password. Enter. Then you are now ready to use the Global POS.